In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace the drive motor on a true TM-50 treadmill. Tip the machine on its side to access the through bolt. While holding the bolt, remove the bolt that holds the ferrite to the frame. Return the treadmill to the upright position. Locate and hold the carriage bolt located under the frame. Remove the tensioner spring assembly. Tilt the motor toward the front roller to remove the drive belt. Remove the drive motor pivot bolt. Pull the motor out of the frame and cut the two wire ties. Unplug the drive motor wires into the motor control board. The black is the positive. The red is negative. Remove the ground cable. Remove the motor assembly from the frame. Remove the bracket from the motor. This step is not shown in the video. Install the bracket on the motor. Place the motor assembly in the frame. Insert the motor pivot bolt. Tilt the motor toward the front roller to install the drive belt. Install the carriage bolt through the frame. Install the spring tensioner assembly. Secure the motor wires with zip ties. Reattach the ground wire. Plug the drive motor wires into the motor control board. The red is negative. The black is the positive. Tip the machine on its side to insert the through bolt. While holding the bolt, secure the bolt that holds the ferrite to the frame. Return the treadmill to the upright position. Insert the power cord. Power on the machine and test for functionality and tension. Note, if the belt starts backwards, the positive and negative motor wires are reversed. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing True.